In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your volume's too low on your laptop speakers. Now, the very first step is to go and open up your Start menu. You can then search for Control Panel and click on this window here. Click on the drop-down arrow in the top right-hand side and click on Large Icons, and then click on the Sound tab. You'll then need to click on Playback, and you'll need to go and locate your speakers from the list. Once you have your speakers selected, go and click on Properties. Now click on Levels and make sure the volume slider is turned all the way up to maximum. You can then click on Advanced. And down at the bottom, you'll see Audio Enhancements. Now, if you already have this turned on, then try turning it off like you see here. But if you already have it turned off, then you can actually try turning it on and then pressing Apply and OK. You can then press OK and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's still not working, open up the Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Click on the drop-down arrow next to Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Now you'll see your Realtek audio from the list. Go in, right click on it and click on Update Driver. Now click on Browse My Computer for drivers, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers and select the high definition audio and click on Next. Once you've done this, you may need to go in, restart your computer, and once again you can check to see if it solves the issue. If it's still not working, the final solution is to open up an internet browser, type in the word Audacity and press enter. You'll then need to click on this top website, which is audacityteam.org, and click on the download button. Now this is a free application that will allow you to increase the volume of your speakers. So go and click on this installation file. Then we can just run through the steps to install this to our PC. So once you're on this window here, click on the search box and type in Audacity. You'll then need to click on the install button next to Audacity and click on Get Audacity without the tutorial. Once you've installed the app, go and open it on your computer. Now, in order to increase the volume of your speakers, you can go and adjust the playback level in the top right hand side. And basically, the higher you go and set this, the louder your speakers are going to be. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.